Activating the Amazon Prime offer on your Jio STB using My Jio app is easy. Simply log into My Jio app using your Jio Fiber account credentials. Tap on Activate Now. If you are unable to see the banner or accidentally clicked on cross, press the bell icon on the top right of your screen. Tap on Activate Now and soon you will be redirected to the Amazon login page. Enter your existing Amazon account credentials and tap on Sign In. If you do not have an Amazon account, select Create your Amazon account and simply follow the instructions to create your account. Now launch the Prime Video app on your Jio STB. Choose your preferred language and click on Continue. Click on Sign In and start watching. After clicking on Sign In and start watching, this screen will appear with a set of instructions on it. Enter the URL primevideo.com/mytv in your mobile and laptop browser. Enter your Amazon credentials and click on Sign In. After successfully signing in, you will be prompted to register your Jio STB with your Amazon Prime account. Enter the code displayed in Amazon Prime Video app on STB in the registration code field on your mobile or laptop. Click on Register Device, after which the STB will be registered successfully to your Prime Video account. You will be automatically logged into your Prime Video app on STB. Click on Continue. Now sit back and binge watch your favorite Amazon Prime Video content on TV.